क्या तुम भी कभी ये सोच के रुके हो कि दुनिया तुम्हारे लिए एक फिक्स्ड बॉक्स बना के बैठ गई है और तुम सिर्फ उसी बॉक्स के अंदर बंद हो? या फिर सब लोगों ने तुम्हारी स्क्रिप्ट तुम्हारे लिए लिख रखी है, बट दैट इज दैट स्क्रिप्ट which you are following, or have you written your own script? So the thing is that we all grow up in such an environment for those limits that don't do this, don't do that, and go in a certain way, in a certain environment, in a certain do a certain set of things and don't go out there that is risky or something like that. So just tell me, are you living your life on your own terms, chasing your own goals which you have ever thought of, or are you just fulfilling the expectations of the other people out there? We all at times think maybe यही सच होगा, maybe यही ठीक होगा, but they give us that basic blueprint of the life which they have been following and they are unsatisfied with their own, but still they pass on to you and you also tend to be a follower. So, tell me, are you a follower or a creator of your own life? Because आपकी लाइफ के हीरो तो आप हैं, तो स्क्रिप्ट भी तो आपकी होनी चाहिए, डायरेक्ट भी आपको ही करना चाहिए. Then tell me, who is writing your story? Hello everyone, my name is Himanshi Mishra. Welcome back to Curly Conversations. I'm your own curly head girl, and here we talk about mindset, manifestation, and some mystic magic. So let's dive right in, one thing at a time. So, let me tell you mine. People have questioned me multiple times, why are you doing this? Why are you into that thing? And still then I have done multiple of the things, from modeling to from writing to selling commission tickets and whatnot. So, and it's not about that I'm not clear about my goal. I'm perfectly clear about it. I'm working towards it. And soon I will be sharing you how I achieved it. So it's about I see the possibility and I go and grab it. Because I don't want to live a life that is full of regrets. Instead, I would be happily living a life which is full of actions that I went to it and I achieved that thing. Right? So just tell me, are you living your own life which is of happiness which you have created for yourself, or are you just aimlessly following someone else's script and acting as if it is your own? Tell me. And just think about it yourself. Like, do you think that one fit for all approach works? Actually, I don't think so, because we all are made differently. We all have different set of goals. We all have different personalities. We all have different set of interests. And how can someone just move into that cluster where they think like this is for me and I will going to do it and that's it and life's it. So does that is working for you? Is that working for you? Or you are also living in that box which other people have created for you, and have you taken the responsibility of your own life? Hmm? Because out there the social formula is only like your life starts, you go to school, then you go to college, you get a job, and then you just get settled, and then you have family and all those things, and you are just involved in it, and you have never explored out there. You don't even know how the world outside looks like. You don't even know about the possibilities that are out there which are waiting for you to grab them, right? Because हर इंसान अलग है, हर किसी की कहानी अलग है. So what is the real story? The real secret, if you wanna live that life, that imagined life which you have once visioned for your own self as a child, if you have to live up to that mark, to reach that point, you have to take care of your own self. You have to take responsibility of your own actions. You have to do that. And that comes with a series of steps. First thing first, अपनी लाइफ की परमिशन स्लिप खुद लिखो. You don't have to take permission from the people out there, which only goes on the matter of चार लोग क्या कहेंगे. सबसे बड़ा रोग यही बना हुआ है. So just take responsibility of your own life, of your own actions, and instead of going for permission from the people, from your family, whatever, take responsibility, take action for your own goals, because the only thing which is going to prove that society is the results, right? So when you are going to present those results, when you're going to speak out there, when you're going to tell them that you have achieved your goal, that is only when they will be convinced with you, and that is only when they are going to believe you. So with your own goal, once it is achieved, it can help and inspire others, many people, to achieve their own. So be that change maker, you know. Because you know what, only results matter करते हैं and excuses नहीं. अपने आप को एक्सक्यूजेस देना बंद करो. यू नो, बाहर जाओ, काम करो, अपने गोल्स डिसाइड करो, एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाओ, बी इन दैट प्रोसेस, शो देम द रिजल्ट्स, राइट. जो लोग ये सेफ गेम प्ले करते हैं, लाइक रिस्क नहीं लेना है, सेफ रहना है, दुनिया की फिलोसफी यही है कि वो लोग सेफ पे ही चलते हैं ज्यादातर. रिस्क मत लो. बट ये तुम्हारी जिंदगी कितने दिन की है? डू इवन नो दैट? किसी चीज का पता है? नहीं है ना. सो गो आउट देयर, टेक दोज रिस्क. बिकॉज आज जो सक्सेसफुल हैं, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं वो रिस्क लिया है. दे हैव वर्क्ड टू चेज देयर ओन ड्रीम्स. आपको जो दिख रहा है ना, वो सरफेस लेवल पे इतना होता है, इतना सा पहाड़ दिख रहा होता है, इतने नीचे के एफर्ट जो उन्होंने किए होते हैं वो किसी को नहीं पता होता है. सो बी इन दैट प्रोसेस, बी इन दैट नीचे वाला पहाड़ टू बिल्ड दैट ऊपर वाला चोटी. यू नो, that is when you are on the top, people will see you, people will praise you. But when you are around there, you will have to face so many things, but you have to go through them, right? So be in that work and just रुकना मत, अपने गोल्स की तरफ चलते रहना है. ठीक है, मे बी आज तुम इतना कर रहे हो, कल को इतना करोगे, परसों को कुछ भी नहीं होगा, बट देन अगेन यू विल हैव टू स्टार्ट, बिकॉज दैट स्मॉल थिंग्स मैटर. Those small efforts are going to create that big impact which you want to see in your life, right? अब भी टाइम है, सोच लो, तुम्हारी लाइफ तुम्हारी है, या फिर किसी और के एक्शंस पे तुमको बस फॉलो ऑन करना है. ऑल्सो इफ यू वांट दैट एक्शन, सो हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, बिकॉज यहाँ पे सिर्फ मोटिवेशन नहीं, एक्शन भी मिलेगा. साइनिंग ऑफ, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड लव यू ऑल.